Hi, we are Sourcingyuan, your trusted foreign trade agent. Today, we're right in the heart of Guangzhou's bustling skincare market, working closely with our clients to find exactly what they need. See this. We're connecting directly with suppliers to show our clients the details that matter, like ingredient lists, formulations, and product quality, all in real time. No guesswork, just clear, up-close views of what they're considering. Our job isn't just to show products, it's to advocate for our clients. We negotiate pricing, check out minimum order quantities, and ask about custom options like OEM packaging or private labeling. Everything to make sure their needs are met and their budget is respected. Ready to find your next great product? We're here to help. We are Sourcingyuan, your partner.